Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube Wars 2. This is China 2. China has 17 IPCs, saving 2, spending 15 on 5 guys. So this time, let me see here. Let's do this. I don't have many options here. So let's do... Let's do this. Okay, so that's it for China. And let's spawn some guys here. Let's spawn. You know what? Hold on a second. Let's reverse that. Let's don't do this. Let's do this. That's even better. Okay, so now let's non-combat movement here. Let's do this. Let's do this. And let me spawn this and this. Okay, so that's it. So China, Sichuan, 1 dude, Quichao, 1 dude. Since C, my plane is going to go, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. My plane is going to go to Kansu. Actually, that is incorrect. Yes, it is correct. Hope 1 dude, and in Shahar, I got, what is it, 2, 4, 5, 6 dudes. We'll take off the 5, get a chip. 6 dudes. Alright, that concludes China. China's going to collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with 2 left over equals 11. So 11 IPCs for China for next time because I carried over 2. Alright, that's it. See you in a minute for UK. Bye-bye.